I turned Roman 6 into a book. I'm so proud. You're the one who turned me into a book. Look, I'm sorry, Roman 6. Please spare me. No, you don't waste my damage. You don't deserve to be spared. Well, you're the one who trapped me in the box. Well, I did because you suck. Ah! What's going on here? You guys just be quiet. Shut up, all you. You stop arguing. Uh, the